Okay, so today what I actually want to do and what I think will be the theme of today's vlog is I want to start not like a move out process, but I've talked about this. I am moving out of this house. I just don't know, like I haven't started any of that stuff, but I know that I'm going to be leaving, and I actually do have a date ish, like a range, but slightly flexible. So what I want to start doing so that I don't feel like I'm waiting till like the end to do all this, I think it's just smart for me to start doing things in phases. I don't know why this hand is so much part of this clip. The phase one is for me to go through each room and start the organization process of condensing, creating first of all, cleaning, then the sorting, and the sorting into the categories of take, trash, donation, or potential garage sale, like a community garage sale of some sort. So I want to go from downstairs to upstairs, especially since my daughter's still home. I think it will just be easier for me to just start downstairs while she's still home, and then by the time that she leaves, I think there's still a couple weeks, I can then move upstairs and start tackling that area. That way, whenever I get just some sort of definitive process, I know where I'm going, I know that when I pack up, I'll only be taking what I want to be taking. So today's goal is the craft room. Which is really hard because it's hard for me to throw away stuff in there because I always imagine myself that I know I'm eventually going to use it, but it's time to start sorting. So we're gonna tackle that. Depending on how I feel, we're then gonna move into the hallway. We're gonna go into the laundry room. I have like a hallway closet, a mini one, and then I have the bigger one under the stairs, which holds all my Christmas stuff. But I don't think we're gonna tackle that because I just packed it up. So I don't think we're gonna tackle this. Although it needs to be tackled eventually before I move, because there's a lot of stuff that's not in boxes. Yeah, at some point I just started throwing stuff in there. This is the closet that I want to tackle. I also actually want to tackle the guest bathroom. There's stuff under there that I need to just sort through and make sure again when I come back to bring boxes and pack that I know I'm not packing junk, and I won't have to sort because I'll already know that I did that. So that's my moving hack tip. Do it in phases if it's possible, if you're not having to like move out at the last minute. The other tip, or the other hack is, and it worked really, really well for me when I moved in here. And it's funny because I think Karen from KK and Baby Jade did it when they moved into their new house, but years ago, and I'm not saying she got this from me, and I'm sure I probably saw the idea on Pinterest or something, so I did not create this by any means. I'm trying to emphasize that I think it's been floating around, but it really works. You get different colored duct tape, and you put those on your boxes. Because what happens is if you write on your boxes, you can't see it. Sometimes you have to move a box to see it. So what I do is I create a key. Like I take a piece of printer paper, I cut up really small chunks of the duct tape, and I write dining room, and then I place the duct tape that goes with that. That way I have a copy of what's what, and then I can tell the movers, okay, okay, these boxes go here, these boxes go there, and it just sorts and flows properly. So I'm gonna definitely do that again this year. I'm gonna need to go get some duct tape. I actually still have the duct tape from when I moved here, but I think I'm gonna need more colors to organize into different rooms. Anyway, I know, how many times have you seen me clean it, but I'm not gonna feel guilty because this is just my life, and I don't always have a perfectly clean space. This is right now, because I don't use this room that much, it's just where everything goes to like be sorted. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna relax for like 5 minutes, which will be nothing to you guys, and then we'll get started. All right, I am in the thick of this. I'm gonna set it up and try to do some sort of speed through, I guess, of this with some music because I need to focus and not really talk through all of this. This is a donation pile. It's okay, I'm not overwhelmed because the way my mindset is, I've at least started and I'm gonna, get through this, and by the end, it's going to feel so good so that when I pack this up, like I said, I know that I'll just be packing up what I need. Here's what I decided to do. Because I'm not in this room that often right now, I think I'm gonna go ahead and pack up some of it as I continue to go through this. I was thinking that phase one would be just the clean out, the sort, but leave everything. But I figured while I'm already here, and because I'm not in need of this room, I should go ahead and start getting like the closet cleaned out and just kind of moving everything in here, and I can just store some of the boxes in the closet, and I think that will be a better use of my time. Obviously, I'm months, gosh, even knows how long away, but I know that it's inevitable, so I think it makes sense to go ahead and get some of it boxed. So I'm gonna get started. I've made a lot of progress. It just doesn't look like it, but I have. So what I've done is I started packing up things that I know I'm just not gonna look at, but I'm keeping all of my Valentine's Day stuff out because I am gonna decorate the house because again, I don't know what's happening. I just know that it's inevitable. And and yeah, so I'm keeping my Valentine's Day stuff out. Just this needs to be packed, so I actually need to move it out of the way and then maybe create this little holding spot for Valentine's Day so I don't confuse myself. But I'm trying to sort through everything, go through everything, and you would be proud of me because I am doing a really good job of actually getting everything, just getting so much donated and not just hanging on to so much. And I just tend to like hang on, not for any other reason other than I truly do think I'll eventually use it, but it's not even worth it because it's almost like, well, I might use it, so I'm just gonna go ahead and, get it donated. I'm done for the night, but I don't know if you guys will be able to see all this stuff, but I have bags and bags of stuff for donation. So I got it all in here. I did pretty good. I got rid of so much stuff that I honestly surprised myself. So we're gonna get all this donated tomorrow or next week, and gotta keep on cleaning the house. So hopefully whenever, I move, at least when I pack, like I said, I know that I'll be taking, what I chose to keep in the end.